Okay guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Morphe foundation, the Morphe Beauty 50 Shades foundation, the one that broke the internet with all the review. Okay, I'm going to be doing my review today. So, but I didn't buy the foundation. Let's just say the truth. Like, let's say the truth. How much is this foundation? I think £60. I know £60 is not a lot for a foundation, but me being me, I would like to try this foundation first before thinking of buying it, because the story behind this foundation is long. I don't want to like start talking about what other people are talking about. I don't have time for that. Everybody have their opinion. We're doing this deal on the Morphe website that you can buy a product and they will give you a free sample of the foundation. Oh sorry, not 50 shades, 60 shades. The Morphe foundation comes in 60 shades. If you are level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 or level 5 of the foundation, they will give you the whole range of the level. Yeah, it comes in a sample like this. I don't know if they are still doing this deal on the Morphe website. I posted it on my Insta story. So it looks like this. I got level 4 of this foundation. Swatch them on my face to know my exact match. This foundation is supposed to be 24 hours long wearing. I don't wear my makeup for 24 hours, and even if I'm wearing my makeup for 24 hours, I still have to prime, set and do all of that. But they said this foundation 24 hours foundation. Great for all skin tone. Whatever skin tone you have, this foundation is great for all skin tone. Okay, that's what they said, not me. I'm just reading from what they said. Like I said, I got level 4, so I feel level 4 would be like the perfect level for me to try. So it looks like this. Those are the shades in there. Foundation is not so thick. Why was I expecting to be so thick? They're looking the same. Not much different between these foundations right now. So if you are a red undertone, that may work for you. Please, am I confusing myself or something? Why is this lighter than this? Why is why is 50 lighter than 40? I thought you were supposed to go deeper from there. This we're doing all right. What is this? Why is 60 like that? I can use 60 to highlight my face, not as a foundation. 70 has a cool undertone. Please Morphe, please Morphe. Like seriously, you want to kill me with laugh. What is this? Ice 100 Swatch is amazing. Thank God I bought this sample. Thank God, because I would buy the wrong shade online. I will buy the wrong shade. But is it just me that they are looking similar? They are looking so similar. The last shade on the level 4. Please, if you have a Morphe shop, like a Morphe store close to you, I beg you, just go and match yourself. Don't buy this foundation online, because you might buy the wrong shade. And if you are like in the UK, you cannot return it. Foundation on my face, level 4. F4.10, 4.20, 4.30, 4.40, 4.50, 4.60, 4.70, 80, 90, 10, 110, 120. What I just got from this shade range is that not a good shade range. No, I'm not impressed. 90 and 100. There's nothing differentiating the shades on me at all. They look so similar. How confusing this foundation is, this Morphe foundation is. I don't even know which is my shade. This review is making me confused. Like I need to like drink maybe some alcohol and be high. I am high on this undertone. I am high on them. I think I need to be seeing reposts on Morphe of people actually wearing this foundation that are like dark skin, so that someone that needs to buy this online can see someone that looks like them that wear the foundation. Because it's not like they post black people often in their page. I'm just saying, I follow them on Instagram. Hopefully I can cook up something. I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to give up. So first I'm going to prime my skin using the Huda Beauty matte primer. Let's use Jackie. Let's use Auntie Jackie to find our shade. She's using F80. This is going to work because I use her shades to find my shade, mostly when I'm looking for a foundation. That is the only person that I can relate with. Hopefully I can get a full face using this sample. So I'm going to use the Morphe M39 brush. This one. But you see too red. This red. This is red. The coverage is beautiful. The coverage is not bad, but it's medium buildable coverage. This foundation is beautiful. Wow, it looks good on camera. It looks so good. Morphe, why? It's feeling matte already. It's beautiful and very weightless on the face. I like this foundation. The formula is beautiful. It's not patchy. It blends really well. Okay, let me not just say I like it 100% yet, because we still need to do the wear test. I'm going to align my skin using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12.5. So I'm going to take the Iconic London foundation stick. Now take the beauty blender and use this to blend quickly. Everything is sitting right on the foundation, so I don't have any cause to complain for now. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. Honey. I'm going to set the contouring in place using the Morphe Contour Duo. Just take that M527 brush. I'll use the BH Cosmetic Pro Matte Powder in the shade 250. Take the blush palette by Morphe. So now my face is looking really good. This Morphe foundation is not bad for now. It's really matte. Like I look matte. I look good. Take the Morphe makeup setting spray. liquid lipstick by Morphe. I'm going to use the Morphe highlighter. That is too dry. Now my face, why is my face dry? I just sprayed my face. Why is it dry? The foundation is drying me out. This is not for all skin type, because if you're a dry skin girl, this might dry you out. Okay, okay, come true. So guys, this is the final look. The foundation is looking really good for now. I would say that for the foundation it looks good. So I had to get my shade of Jackie Einar's video because I didn't know what shade. I was still confused after swatching it on my face what shade to go for. So I felt that would be the best shade to use her, because anytime I want to get a foundation I use her to like check, because she's a tad bit darker than I am, but I can still balance the shade out when I highlight and contour. I find out that the foundation is a bit drying, so it's still matte on my face. It's a good thing for oily skin girl, but for dry skin girl that is not good at all. But this my foundation might dry you out. Make sure you moisturize really well before applying this foundation. So for that 24 hours long wearing and all that, I don't know, but I'll wear this foundation for as long as I can wear it today. But it looks really good on the skin. Look at that, like it looks really airbrush and flawless. But the undertone, not impressed at all. Not impressed with the undertone, because I swatched the whole of level 4 on my face. I can't use level 5, so there's no point saying, oh, why don't try level 5? No, it's too red for me. So this is the final look. Everything I use will be listed at the description bar. I'm going to rush out now, come back later and give you my final updates. Okay? Hello guys, I'm back. I just wanted to come to the final update of this foundation for you guys. I've been wearing this foundation for roughly 8 hours now. My face is shining, you can see. I'm trying to see if it settled in any of my fine lines. I can see the line on my mouth coming out a bit, but it's not that too drastic or anything. Like if you touch up your skin, you can still wear this makeup for another like 2 hours or more. My final thought of this foundation is this foundation, the formula is good, but for 24 hours I don't think this makeup is going to last for 24 hours. I doubt it, but they say this foundation can hold up for 24 hours. Fine, you can see a little bit of the foundation for 24 hours, it will still be there on the skin, but I will tell you 24 hours this is going to be greasing, I'm telling you. So now I don't think you can wear this for 24 hours. You have to block your face. The undertone of this foundation is confusing and annoying. So this foundation could have been like top class, well done, 60 shades, you've done well Morphe, like amazing, but they just missed it when it comes to the undertone. So a lot of people is going to find it very hard to find their shades in this foundation. So if you have a Morphe store close to you, go check it out. I can't say anything about the Morphe concealer or the powder that they launched because I don't have it and I don't intend to buy it. So that is my final thoughts. If you have this foundation, let me know in the comment section your thoughts on the 60 shade and the drama behind it. Let me know in the comment section and we'll talk about it. See you guys soon.